Creating a workflow in Asana helps streamline and automate tasks within a project. Here's how to set up a workflow in Asana. Choose a project layout. Start by creating a new project in Asana. Choose a board layout if you prefer a visual representation of stages, or a list layout for a more detailed task breakdown. Define workflow stages. If using a board, create columns representing different stages of the workflow, such as to do, in progress, and completed. For a list layout, organize tasks under sections. Create tasks and assign roles. Add tasks to each workflow stage. Assign tasks to specific team members and set due dates. You can also add descriptions or checklists within each task for clarity. Set dependencies. Use task dependencies to show the order in which tasks must be completed. This ensures that one task is completed before another begins. Automate with rules. Set up rules to automate parts of your workflow. For instance, move tasks to the next column when marked complete, or automatically assign new tasks to team members. Monitor progress. Use timeline or calendar views to track the progress of your workflow. This provides an overview of deadlines and task statuses.